2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.